Are you all done?
Well, if you do, you don't touch the controls.
Oh, okay. I won't touch the controls.
I use these for controls.
Those are the controls?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the controls.
Okay.
It's just in it. And we have this strip. And this is for to hang Mama's phone.
It is.
Yeah. And
Okay.
I think there's another one.
Well, that's the only one I have there, but this is the other camera. So, can I paint now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see here.
Well, hold on. It's already recording, buddy.
You see there's the one.
Yep.
Here, right here in this.
Yep, that's the camera.
The camera's right here.
Okay.
That's the controls.
That's the controls. Okay.
You can get in it.
All right, can we paint now?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Get in it.
Hi guys, I'm testing out my camcorder. I haven't really used this much since my wedding over 3 years ago. So, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a pour on some Christmas ornaments, some clear ornaments, and I have it all set up over here. I think you can see that. And what I want to do is I have all these bottles of paint that are just about empty, and they're really old, and I don't even know if they're any good. And so what I kind of figured I'd do is I'm just going to pour them all into a cup and pour them onto these ornaments, just because I don't want to waste the paint entirely. And I really want to regain control of these bottles because I really could use them. So I'm gonna just sort of make a giant cup of very random colors, and this will kind of be like a giant leftover cup of stuff, and just to try to get out as much as I can. There's probably going to be like gloops and globs, and I'm hoping that the ornaments will sort of keep those at bay and maybe not stick to them. So, like I said, I'll speed this process up, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm just going to try to pour really slow. We'll see what happens. These may be the ugliest ornaments ever. Okay guys, these are all dry, and I've got my little helper here to show how they're all done.
Oh yeah, Mama.
So you can see that some of them didn't get fully covered.
Oh yeah, Mama, that's right.
Yeah, they didn't get fully covered.
Oh no, Mama, you can't not do that.
It's not fully covered, right? But we can put some paint on the inside if we wanted to. And I can show you how we do that.
Yeah, that's
but
right.
I'll show you the ornaments real quick, one by one. And then I'll show you filling up one of them.
Let me get them in the bucket.
So, here's another one.
Here you go. Here.
Oh, yep, you put something in the bucket?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oops. I'm going to put some in the bucket. But before we do that, I'll put some in the bucket.
You're putting the paints in the bucket?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's
So
right.
like this one, I don't think, this doesn't bother me as much.
No.
Yeah, does that bother you?
Yeah.
It bothers you? Well, it doesn't bother me, so I'm probably going to leave that one alone.
Let me see here.
This one got actually really good coverage.
Let me put some in here. I got some, put some in here.
And that's just that white paint was a little bit different.
You got these, and I'll got them.
Whoa, you filled up that bucket with all my paint.
I put them in the paint.
Yeah.
I put them in the bucket. And I'll put that one here.
That one's really pretty.
Let me see.
Ooh. Oh, careful.
I'll get things.
Alright, last one. Oh.
I got the last one.
Yep.
We have to use.
And this one I kind of bumped into the wet paint, so there's a little dimple. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it, kind of. Right there. So that one will definitely stay on our tree, but that's okay. So let me show you real quick. Here, buddy, can I have you sit right here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me see.
Okay, so what I'm
put
going to
them
do.
all in the bucket.
Good job.
I
Okay,
put them
so
all in the
I'm
bucket.
gonna, which one was it that I was gonna?
Dip one here.
This one, I think.
Should I put
Okay.
these in the bucket?
Sure, go ahead and put that one in the bucket. Okay, so I'm gonna take
Should I
one of
put
my
that one here
white paints
in the
that,
bucket?
yep, that is a little more liquidy than others.
Should I put that one in the bucket?
Yep, put as many paints in the bucket as you want.
Okay.
Okay.
There we go.
There we go. So I think this one will work.
Uh-oh. Let me put the...
And so what I'm gonna do, here, bear with me 1 second.
Dip.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this white paint and I'm gonna,
Let me see here.
it's not actually
I got
squeezing.
all paint in here.
You do have all the paint in there.
Got the...
I am going to squeeze it in here,
Yeah.
in theory. Now, that is way too much paint in there. However, I'm just going to kind of turn it around. You can see kind of what it's doing.
Let's see. Let me open it.
And I really just want to make sure that I cover
I opened that one.
the spots that are blank.
Let me see. I opened that one. Should I open that one?
You can open that, buddy. Just don't open the paints, okay?
Here's paint things. Paint, and I'll put that one in here.
Thank you. And so you can see on the inside how it's coating. And you can see what it's going to look like on the outside.
nice job.
Oh, thanks. Okay. So
I did a little bit of paintbrush.
now that I have way too much paint in here, I'm gonna
Let me get some new paint here.
take a different.
Let me get some paint.
Okay.
I got some paint.
All right. Oh, 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 Charlie. That's actually paint, honey. Oh dear. You are a goober.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this because there's a lot of white in here and I want to drain out some of the white and I want to let gravity kind of take over the rest of it. Charlie, please. I'm going to put this upside down on another cardboard box and let it dry overnight again. You could also kind of put it in a cup and let it drain overnight if you had a smaller cup. I just don't seem to have one nearby, but I do have this little box set up. So I'm going to do that and let it drain. And that should get the last of the white spots. And actually you can see that the white is already starting to drain out of it. So. So yeah, so this is probably a super long video. I will try to cut it down as much as possible, but just another ornament experiment, and so I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.
Bye.
Say bye to the internet.
Bye, internet.
Say see you later.
See you next time.
See you next time.
I can't wait. I can't turn it on.
Can you hit that button to shut it off?
Of course.
Of course. Here, no, this one. Right there. Hit that X.